We're going to sneak on them. Don't say what we're doing. They found, they got something there.
Hello. Someone's sneaking up behind me with a camera.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! I sound like a bloody crook chicken, a crook rooster. What?
Oh, no.
Oh, well, I'm getting distracted here. We have a target. It's out. Oh, it's out good.
That sounds wiry, so it might be good. It might be gold. That's what we scoop.
I reckon that's gold.
It's a good soil.
Scoop, mate.
Am I safe standing here, Tony?
It could collapse. It has been known to collapse.
The things we do to get the right angle. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
He's got the scoop out. That's gold, baby.
Hope so. That could even be lead shot.
Ooh.
Ah.
There. Oh no.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, I thought I saw a lead shot.
Come on, stay back. It is.
It is what?
Oh no. It's lead shot.
Bloody lead shot, eh?
Oh, look at the
that.
excitement.
All that excitement. Well, this just shows you that the Cooltech 14x9 Gold Extreme is doing its job on the SDC 2300 Mine Lab.
Are you being paid by Cooltech? Hey,
No, I wish I was. Okay.
it's Wendy.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
Should
False,
I answer it?
No.
false
Oh, yeah,
alarm,
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
No, baby.
Yeah, just swipe it and you can say hello.
Hello, Wendy. I'm well. You don't even know who I am, do you?
No, baby. False alarm.
Could ya?
That's
Yeah,
Tony, Famo,
Tony's just
and-
got a target.
and David.
he's
David
got his
here
gloves
from
on, so
Tasmania.
he couldn't answer the phone, so I answered it. I was videoing him, so I had the camera in my hand.
Here's the one that
No,
says
it
on
was
your
a lead
tube,
shot.
yeah.
I'm here with Matt Kelava. Matt's here and Tony's here. Every time he gets a bloody bit of steel or a lead shot, he calls me over. Dave, film for me.
Wendy.
It's never bloody gold.
Lead
but
shot.
He thinks it's gold every time. He gets excited. Wendy said, don't have anyone film and it will be gold.
Yeah, I will. That's it. We're done. We're done for today. You should see the big gold steel nugget that I got out of there. Put
Hey.
down.
Hey, don't talk to him. Your missus is on the phone.
When did you dig your nugget?
Yeah, that's not packing up with somebody else.
You sound like Debbie.
Somebody else.
You sound exactly like Debbie.
Somebody else has a hole out
She
there.
said you'd rather talk to one of your gold mates than her.
That's right.
Alright, I'll put him on. See ya. She don't know who it is.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hello?
Good day, how are you,
This is not
Dave?
my channel. What am I doing on here?
Well, you wanted to come on the Gold Hunters channel, you
Hello.
are on it now.
Hello, everybody. You just stay there. I'll go get my radar gun.
I told you where the gold is in the bloody big rock
You
there.
did. Oh, am I allowed to keep the gold? Am I?
You can take it.
Can I?
You can take
Have
it.
you got any dynamite I can borrow?
No, I've got some gunpowder.
Have you?
Yeah.
We'll rig something up.
We'll put it in there.
Good times. Good times.
All right.
This is where we are. We are somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
Okay.
An undisclosed location.
There's our campsite up there. Way up there. There's motorhome up that way. Tony's house and the David's house up there behind. You see there behind the Tony's?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
There.
if I had spoke, it would be.
That's David there. That's where we are camping here.
Stop calling me over.
No, I won't call you neither.
Today is a Sunday.
Smaller one and try that out.
Oh yeah.
12 or the 13th of
The little one.
May.
Yeah, they're called
What's the day today, Tony?
Today is
Mother's
Sunday.
Day.
The 13th.
Mother's Day.
12. Isn't it?
Yeah, 12th.
12.
It's Mother's Day.
12, okay.
Sunday. The
Look at the David.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
Money.
Send money. Send money.
Money. You got a gold. You don't need no
We
money.
go find some Mother's Day gold.
But you need bloody money to find gold these days.
Yeah.
I told you there's no gold here within 250 meters. You didn't believe me.
Yeah,
There's only one up there.
Matt's got the radar going. He said, Tony, it's all been gone. I said, yeah, well, it must be a little spot.
Yeah, there was a shotgun pellet.
Is that radar gun find shotgun pellets?
Yeah.
Well,
No,
go and find me
I
one
won't
and
find
tell me
shotgun
not to go
pellets.
there.
It's not it's not gold.
Yeah.
Only gold.
Yeah.
Only gold.
Alright, enough chit chat. I'm going to get nuggets.
Yeah.
Okay, but look at okay, on your bike,
On my bike, I'm going.
start pedaling.
On your bike, son.
Here we go.
There's your Tony out there, look at him.
Look at the hole I dug.
He's dancing on the way from the shotgun pellet there. It's the whole neighborhood. Everybody
there's a
run
gold
down
there.
there. They think it's a gold and no nothing here. Okay.
Yeah, that shotgun pellet's here, that means there's gold here.
Yeah, because they've missed it.
That's exactly right. That should never have been there. That should have been out.
I reckon I would go that way towards the reef. Tony, I would go that way towards the reef. Go
just
towards
do
the
these
reef.
couple
You know that direction out there? That way, you see my finger pointing? It's over there past the diamond. That way. Oh, you find another shotgun pellet, but okay.
Yeah, another shotgun pellet.
Well, no wonder. There's a one, there's a
Look at that.
more. Oh, you're digging a good soil, but that's been dug up before. Nothing. False alarm again. Oh, he's using a bad coil. Doesn't using a Nexus coil. I'm going to use my 30-inch coil. Okay. Bye, Tony. Bye, David.
Bye-bye, Matt.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What do you mean bye-bye?
See you after I'm going back to process the video.
Oh, okay.
You're on YouTube, you'll be on Monday or Tuesday.
Ooh. I'll be famous.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll be famous.